Hello, you're welcome to my channel. Drink this daily, once daily, gain weight in right places. This drink will help you to gain healthy weight. I was like this before until I started taking this drink. I started drinking it daily, on daily basis. And it gave me the shape. See how I look now? See my shape now? It gave me the shape. This drink is like a magic. It will help you to gain weight in right places. So the first ingredient is peanuts. You can get peanuts anywhere. You can even buy it in a grocery store or anywhere. You will just have to grate these peanuts. And the second one is malt. Now malt is gotten anywhere. You can see it anywhere. You can buy it. If you're not from Nigeria, you might not know this type, but even people in abroad, they use it too. So you have to get a malt, pour the one you need. You might not use everything, just pour it to you need, because you have to mix it with other ingredients. Just pour it to in a bowl, in a cup, or anything you have. After I have poured, this is yogurt. Don't mind my yogurt. My yogurt has melted already because I don't store it in a fridge. It's like this, so it has melted. See how it is. You can get plain yogurt. You can get the one that is ice, but this one is good. But they all work the same thing in the body, whether melts or not melts. All of them work the same thing. So you have to add your yogurt. After you have added the yogurt, then you pour your grated peanuts inside the mixture. And the next ingredient is raw milk. Milk, you can use any kind of milk, but always go for the evaporated milk. Evaporated milk will help you add weight in right places. You will gain healthy weight. So you have to add your evaporated milk. After adding evaporated milk, that's all. Then you have to mix the ingredients. Mix all of them well. After you have mixed all these ingredients well, then you have to get the little you will need. You might take it another day. See the one I just made. Just get it in a glass, then you start drinking it. Drink it once daily, and you will gain weight in right places. You will add weight, healthy weight, and you will start living healthy. You won't even need surgery again. This works like magic. I used it and it worked for me, so you have to try it. Give it a try. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your